know this side of the story, but initially, are you gonna zoom in on the boobs?
My PT was like, oh, maybe like you can try small things from now on, like to see how much your back can handle now after PT. I did 10 minutes. I was like, yo, my back isn't the problem, and I'm just so out of shape that like I can't do it. He did say like, oh, like 10 minutes max. Like I don't want you to like push it too far, but my lungs, it won't push it far. It's all from like 17 varieties, not even all varieties.
No, it's from producer Nah. Yeah, from the game caterers thing. Sorry. Oh no, that's recorded, isn't it? Oh no. Mute all of the audio.
I'll put some in.
Oh no.
Yo, they sound young.
Yeah.
They sound youthful.
They're like 14 or something. Yeah,
Holy shit.
Oh my god. Is this an unprotected left that I have to make with that line of cars?
Yes. Welcome to LA, baby.
Oh, you just have to like wait until it turns red and then make the turn because you're already in
Yeah.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
Yeah. Paul's like, yeah, you just gotta like inch up almost like to the midpoint and then just go. I'm like, what do you mean just go?
Basically, as soon as it turns
But the
red,
cars,
then you can't do anything.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Sorry.
Can that go in the video?
I hate like unprotected lefters. I want to be protected. Why can't my life be protected?
It's LA.
I have my car insurance, please. Let me be protected. I'm paying every month. I haven't missed my payment at all.
That's okay.
But you know, for kimchi carbonara, it's not that like kimchi-y.
Yeah.
Like objectively still good though. I like it.
Is there pressure when you're vlogging, like, to not fuck up when you're eating?
Yes. I'm cutting the core out or something. I was like cutting something. And then I was like picking it up, moving to the bowl, and something like falls like on the countertop. I'm like, next. You know, that's why I realized when people say vlogging, it's not all that natural. And then when I'm recording like a mundane scene, making coffee or whatever, I'm like, since when was my fridge so dirty? I'm like, what is that stain? Ew.
Oh no. I feel like it's also skewed though, because when you see these kinds of things, it's always someone in like a very polished aesthetic house where you're just trying to record like
Yeah, like Pinteresty, like Instagram houses, But now I understand why their house is always so clean, because you're gonna see all the stains with 1080p. Ugh.
I think I'm okay with walking around.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Holy shit. Let's all get caught on camera. Wow. It's like gigantic.
Yeah. Okay. Wow.
It looks like a face.
It's like a weird Sesame Street guy mutant.
Yeah. That's fine. I got it.
Yeah. I have more of the wipes from Bill's barbecue.
Valid, honestly.
Oh, I feel like such a ajumma.
That's why I call it my napkin repository in my car. That entire
I have that
thing,
too in my
yeah.
car. Like always in that seat, like the
Passenger seat, yeah. The glove box. Who the fuck has gloves?
Yeah. You know, the Chipotle napkins are pretty decent. I'm getting full. Once again.
The second stomach is also. I feel like it's like a similar concept where they said that they already mix it with. It'll probably take like 15-20 minutes to walk back to the car.
Oh, the last bookstore closed at 8, so it's like,
Oh,
you can go
okay.
whenever.
Wait, you can read. I can give you some book. Or actually, what kind of books do you read, or did you read when you were younger? If any.
I haven't read anything in so long. Like reading as a hobby, like that's like a concept that I would I abandoned like years ago.
You could get back into it. The Seven Husbands of Evelyn Hugo.
I've heard of it.
It might have been me.
Oh.
I really, really like that book. Like I read it all in one sitting on the train back from Santa Barbara.
Oh, my mom bought this, but it was like a duck.
Oh.
And then the butt was like a lot plushier.
Oh.
You are really like yeah.
Do you have any summer press? Wow.
Yeah. What's here?
Oh.
What is this though?
Oh, it's a humidifier.
Oh.
Slapping it.
That's my default now, the
crazy.
slap lamp.
Plushie? I remember being really tempted to
Ooh.
get one because they're so squishy and fun.
Ooh.
Oh. Does it feel nice?
We get one matcha strawberry and one matcha blueberry lattes, both with
Do the.
and then
Yeah. I don't know. I think mine should because it's more.
Oh my
sweet.
god. That's probably like one thing I didn't like. I didn't even take a coach actually. I just took. But you meant like the genre, right? Oh my god. You can see 17.
Yeah. Oh shit. Oh, cool. Don't film that.
Yeah.
Just keep this part.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Wow. Yeah, there's some like really yellow like pickled radishes there. Hold it up right. Own it.
Are you ready, LA?
This is Hwasa.